Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I thought I would go ahead and decorate my console table. So come on with me, guys. So now lately I have been so into the natural elements or those earth tone colors. Now I'm really liking wiping down my areas with that wood cleaner from the Dollar Tree. It's made by Awesome and I love it. Doesn't leave a film. You don't have to shake it. It just leaves a refreshing scent, and it also refreshes whatever area you're wiping it down with. So I love it. I definitely recommend it. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Refresh Your Space with Earth Tones. And I'm just loving the title of that collab, guys. There's so many different shades that fall under earth tones. So you go ahead and decorate your area with those, whatever tones it is that you like that fit into that category. So who's hosting this collab? Well, it's the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's myself. We have Jean Home Decor and more, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, and Jennifer at Home. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquettes. Make sure and head on over to these ladies' channels and check them all out because you won't be disappointed. And also click the like button, full watch the video, and make sure and leave them a beautiful comment. Now, since I already had 2 tier trays on this console table, I didn't want to go ahead and add another one, but you know what? It's not looking bad. I like how it's looking because that center one is shaped differently, and I think it's gorgeous. Now I'm going to go ahead and add other elements to this table, but later on I think I may add that 3rd tier tray. Not sure yet, but right now so far it's looking beautiful. Now, I think that this table came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope that you guys agree. I think we need to head on over to the review, guys. I think this came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you enjoyed the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.